destiny shall prosper, before I let she steal my joy and place me like a boy with a little toy. Open the world and let it cut me like a knife. Open the world and let it change my life. This is an emergency, special attention. And by the way, then I forget to mention that I got myself into a situation, but I pray for confirmation. Whatever you say, it is so. Wherever you see me, I will go. On my lips, I'll sing your praise. Lord, it's an emergency.
Each time you wake up in the morning and you see your family doing okay, that's God raining on you. Every time you can reach in your pocket and pay some of your bills, that's God raining on you. And once you realize He's raining on you, you get a case of the can't help it. And you start singing songs not about Him, but you sing your love songs to Him like this. It says, I can't help falling.